Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ambogok Philippine Partner Pride. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo itong box na ito. Ito yung ibinigay sa akin nung ako'y dumating ng Canada, galing abroad. So, ito yung COVID-19 swab test. Ibinigay nila sa akin upon arrival from abroad. So, nung dumating ako ng Vancouver, ito yung binigay nila sa akin, kasama na yung swab test na i-perform nila doon. After 10 days, gagawin mo siya, ikaw na lang mag-isa. So, binigyan na nila ng March 24. Ito na yung gagawin ko. So, ako na lang ang gagawa nito. So, ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano, pag sa sarili mo lang, gagawin mo lang sa sarili to. Okay, let's go. Okay, ito po yung nilalaman ng box. Ito po yung nilalaman ng box sa loob. Nakalagay po dyan lahat. So, kailangan ko pang tumawag pala sa sa telehealth. So, kailangan kasama ko silang magpe-perform ako. Kailangan kasama ko sila. Nasa on the line sila. Ngayon ako naman ang gagawa sa sarili ko. Sige. So, itong kit na ito, andito yung serial number sa tube niya. Yun ang kailangan mong mag-registered sa online. And then, ang sabi ay ma-expired siya ng June 30, 2022. So, just more than a year. So, ito, ngayon hinihintay ko pa rin. So, ang sabi, I am now, they have 15 people ahead of me. So, kailangan ko pang hihintayin. Okay.
And then put it,
This
and then
one
put
first?
It on, open it. And then just put it on the table standing up. Just be careful it doesn't spill, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And then now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your swab stick. And just be very careful because you're not going to touch the part that goes inside your nose, okay? So open it the other side. Okay.
I don't know why
That's okay. Take it out. So hold it. Just be careful. You don't drop it. So what you're going to do is you're going to do both sides of your nose for 15 seconds. I'll time you. So 15 seconds each. You'll be putting it in 2 centimeters in your nose.
2
or
centimeters.
until all those little bristles have disappeared inside your nose, okay?
So, that one like a line, right? They have something there. That one.
Yeah. So no, you're not going to put it that far. No. You're only going to put it like this much in. So like, do you see the thing the little thing on the top?
Yeah, this one, right?
No. Okay, wait, let me show you. I don't want you to put it in that far, no. That's too much.
I know.
Okay. So this thing, mine looks a little bit like this whole thing. Just this. Just
okay.
That. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just that.
Okay.
No. So you're going to put just that much in, 2 centimeters. And then you're going to be rotating it like this between your fingers.
Okay.
And when it's inside your nose, go in circular motions, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, ready. Yep, and then go in circular motions. Yeah, good job. This. Yep, you're doing really good. Keep going. I'll let you know when you can stop.
I gotta use this.
Yeah, it makes you want to sneeze.
Oh my God.
Okay, take it out. And do this side now. Ready? We're halfway there. Yeah, keep rotating.
Oh my God.
Yeah, keep going. You're almost there. 3, 2, 1. Okay, take it out. Okay, now you're going to put it inside the...
My tears coming out.
Put it inside the tube.
Okay.
And you see the line that you were talking about before? That's where it breaks off. So you're going to just break it off.
Break it off.
Yeah, you see the line that you were showing me before?
Okay.
Twist it back and forth and break it off. Just be really careful.
So do I need that?
Yeah, you don't touch the part that went inside your nose.
I can use this one or something or no need?
No. So just break it. And the part that you break off is just going to be garbage.
Oh, there, it's break already.
Okay, now put the lid on it.
Okay.
And the little part that went in your nose is in there, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now did you have a... Yeah.
Okay.
Put it in tight. Did you have a chance to fill out your patient ID label?
This one?
No. So there's like a little sticker that looks like this that you're supposed to write your first, last name, and date of birth, and then you're supposed to stick it on the tube.
Okay, maybe it's inside the box.
Yeah, it's inside the box. So you're going to need everything in that box, okay? So if you need to look for something, it's probably inside the box.
I didn't say anything. I see this one only.
No, you should have... What else do you have in front of you? You should have more things in front of you.
Okay, I show you. I have a red bags.
Yeah. You have a
Which
red
is
bag, okay? Yeah, you'll need that.
The hazard bags, right? Mm-hmm. And how about this one?
Yeah, no, it looks like that, though. That's what it looks like, but it's not that.
This one?
Yep, you need that, too. You don't have anything?
No.
You don't have, like, you should be having...
I feel there's something running in my nose inside after the swab.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, and now can I see it? Oh. Yep, so now you're going to tape that on the tube. Just be very careful you don't cover the barcode or the serial number, okay?
Okay. Maybe I cut a little bit.
Okay.
Because it's, but they have a tendency that gonna be cover it just a bit.
Okay.
I think that one is enough. I think that one was okay. So where I'm gonna tape it?
So yeah, tape it on there, okay? Just make sure you don't cover the barcode or serial number.
Okay.
Okay?
Just a minute.
Now? Oh, you're gonna do it again?
I put on the top.
Okay.
So that it will not remove. The tape, it's transparent, that's fine.
Yeah, that's perfect. As long as it's on there, you're fine.
Okay, here.
So now you're going to put it in the biohazard bag, okay? In this bag. Along with, like, that other paper you showed me. The absorbent sleeve one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this one?
Yeah, put it in there. Yeah. And then close it. And then now you're going to put that inside the blue box. Just make sure the blue box is empty, okay?
Okay. So all these papers inside the blue box, I'll remove it?
Yeah, take it out.
Take it out. So only this one? Only this one?
Only that inside
no
the blue
need
box,
to put back is this one?
That's garbage, no. That's
garbage. Okay.
So just that one, put it inside.
Okay.
And then close the blue box. And because you don't have the sticker, just use tape to close it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and then use tape to close it on the bottom. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put that blue box inside the red Purelator bag. After you tape it.
So only one. How about this one? Just only
you
there.
You can take that out. You can take that out.
Okay.
Take that off, I mean. Yeah, put it in the red Purelator bag now. Yep.
Okay.
Put it in. Yep, put it in. And then close the bag. There's like a little aluminum foil, little sleeve, like little thing on the top. And then you remove that.
Okay.
Yeah, and then it makes that part sticky, and then just fold it over. Yeah. And then now you're just going to put your yellow shipping label on the bag.
Where's the yellow? Ah, here.
Okay, I'm like,
Because I was curious.
Oh my god.
Me too. Where I can put this one.
Put it on the back side. So put it on the back side of the bag.
So I need to stick on it, right?
Yeah, so there's like a thing that comes off. Yeah.
So
Let me see. Yeah, put it on that side.
in
Yeah.
here?
Yeah.
Not this one, right? In
Yeah,
here.
yeah, not that one. That one. Yeah.
So like this.
Yeah. Okay, so now you're good because you don't have the alcohol wipe to clean the bag. That's okay. So all you have to do is after the call ends is schedule a pickup time with Pure Later, okay?
So I need to schedule.
So after the call ends, you're going to schedule a pickup.
Bukas na. Ang pick up nito bukas ng March 25, bukas 2021, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. bukas ng hapon. Okay. Next step. Okay, registration, screenshots. Your test is swab test, laboratory, requisition, view PDF, download. Okay, download it, view. So, screenshot, done. I think it's done already. Print. Copy, done. I think I am good now. Okay, welcome. So, yun na yun. Tama na. So, what happened before, I call multiple numbers that I have to connect to those nurse that online for the kit swab test by at your home. So ang dami-dami ko nang natawagan. So in the end nakuha ko rin after how many, like I think I'm waiting, like processing everything is 2 hours. So ito na po. Okay, ready to pick up na to. So ito na yung final. So hopefully negative test para hindi na ako ika-quarantine. Kasi pag makuha nilang may positive na naman siya, or positive, makuha nilang positive, another 14 days on onset na i-quarantine ako ulit. So hopefully it's not, kasi bored na ako. 10 days na ngayon. I was so happy because 10 days na I'm on my quarantine. Malapit na akong mag-graduate. So kailangan ko na lang na anong tawag niyan? Kailangan ko na lang i-wait ang response nila na what is the result is. So ngayon ito na lang. So I will give you update. Mag-a-update ako. So far negative, hopefully. Okay, bye for now.